Hi everyone, Angela here. We are at the Overland Park Family Tree in Kansas City. It's actually in Overland Park, Kansas. Anyways, they are having their Ladies' Day today and everything is 20% off, and I'm so excited to come in and get a new round of plants. And also I'll show you some of their holiday items because that's really what they're here showcasing today, and that's all inside. But anyways, I'm out here and I just wanted to kind of show you guys all of the amazing plants that they have. Such great prices regularly, but also, you know, like I said, 20% off today. So, okay, here we go. All right, guys, here we are. These are all of their ferns, and I just think they have such an amazing selection. Always things I haven't seen before. I brought one of these maidenhairs home this past year, and it died like almost instantly. I think I might have to get one of these. I don't remember what they're called, like crocodile ferns or something like that. Crocodilius. $15.99. I just think it has such an amazing leaf pattern on it. Look at this. I've never even seen this guy before. A frosty. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't look at that price. $5.99. See? Amazing prices here. Little button ferns. $5.99. Lemon button. Oh. I don't know what that's called, but it's so cute. Oh, and here's like a darker fern. I can't keep ferns alive. Oh, it's just a lemon button, just darker. I like that. Oh, look how amazing. Look at this, you guys. Look how huge that is. $5.99 staghorn. That's incredible. Crispy wave. Oh, I like the feel of that. This is, look at that. I bet I could keep these alive. We'll see. Look at these. I think these are just the neatest little leaves. $5.99 bird's nest. See, like I said, if you don't know about the family trees in Overland Park, they have two other ones. These are huge. Look at this maidenhair. $24.99. Look at that. You can't even get the whole plant in the picture. Oh, and here's a blue star. $15.99. Look at that. Gorgeous. Way better than the one I have at home. Oh, and I always forget, like, you need to look up when you're here too, because look at all those air roots. I don't know what they're called. But yeah, you always have to look up when you're here. Okay, that's the ferns. If you guys can see, this place is endless. It's endless. These are all houseplants, and then on the far side are tropicals. Okay, let's move on to another. So another thing, you guys, look at these. These are all of their peperomias. Look at this. Compared to what we just saw the other day, it's $34.99, but look how huge that is. There are probably 10 plants in there, but it's just gorgeous and so thick and strong and healthy. I came here this summer and I had my hand on this plant, you guys. It's I don't know what kind of peperomia it is, but it is so big and beautiful, and I regretted not getting it, so I am definitely going to pick one up today. Look how many they have. They also have these peperonia ginnies. Beautiful pink leaves. Oh look, it's an owl eye. $15.99. And it's blooming. So precious. And we also have some little miniature fiddle leaf figs here. Look at that, $7.99, little sunshine ficus. So cute. There's some bigger ones. What is this? Look at this peperonia, you guys. Look how cute that is. Alright, here is their calathea collection. Let me show you this. Look at this pinstripe here. $19.99. This is an ornata with the pink. Like I said, mine at home, not looking that great. This is some of the rattlesnake calatheas. I killed one of these too. These are just not for me. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. It's just huge. See, always forget to look up. Look at that. What even is it? Leopard lily. It's incredible. Just a regular Sansevierias. These guys are all $15.99. Look how cute that is. You just want stars. Look how full this one is here. This is like a fern nest or something like that. I can never remember its name. Some starfish. The elusive whale fin. I have got to get one of these today. Shark fin, I don't know. Look at that. I'll have to look and see if any of them are growing babies, because that would be the one to pick. Look how gorgeous that is. It's definitely a statement piece. $29.99. Oh, there's a moonshine. Look at that. Look at all the babies in there. $29.99. They even have some pre-made pots there. They have some Hoyas hanging up here. Haven't gotten into the Hoyas yet. Someday. Look at this. Some more moonshine. Over here they have like the huge floor length ones. Look at that. Guys, so I'm really sorry that our video got cut short, but that place got so crazy today that I had to stop filming because there were so many people. You could barely even walk through the aisles. I mean, it was just insane. But I did manage to get a bunch of beautiful plants and an extra surprise. So stay tuned. I'll make a separate video about the plant haul that I got today, because 20% off. I just couldn't walk out of there without a full cart. So thank you guys for joining me with this video, and I hope you had a good time. If you live in the area, you have got to check out the Family Tree Nurseries. They are absolutely amazing. But yeah, so I'm driving home now, so I better get back to the road, and we'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye!